Hi crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial we will going to learn this very easy yet elegant bag, and this is very easy to make. This bag is very easy to make, and I have added the silver color cord, silver chain cord here. Instead you can also make a cord with the same macrame yarn which I've used to make this bag. So let's go ahead and start making this beautiful bag which I've made in 5 colors. So for this tutorial I have taken many colors of macrame yarn, and this is soft cotton shiny macrame yarn and a crochet hook of size 3 mm. Let's start with the base, and for the base I am using white color. I'll start by making a slip knot and chain of 50. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I've completed chain of 50. I'll make three more chains, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so in the fourth chain from the hook I'll make my first double crochet like this, and I'll keep making double crochet, in my very first chain, in the fourth chain I'll make 2 double crochets, so there will be total of 3 double crochets, and then I'll start making 1 double crochet in each chain around till we reach the next end of the chains, and in the last chain I'll make 3 double crochets. This is the basic of the bag every time we start with. So here I'll make double crochets till my last chain, and in the last one here I'll make 3 double crochets, and I'll start making double crochets on the back side, on the other side, till I reach here, till the first double crochet that we have made, or the 3 chains which we have made, and I'll see you till I'll complete till here, and I'll see you then. So here I have completed my first round with a slip stitch on the third chain stitch which we have made at the start. Now for the next round, what I'm going to do is chain of 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, and I'll make 1 double crochet all the way around without skipping a single stitch. I'll do all 1 double crochets till here, till the end. No more increase, just 1 round of double crochet. I'll complete this round, and I'll see you till I reach the end. So here I've completed my second round of only 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. I'll now connect my another color yarn, which is soft pink color yarn. I'll not complete the slip stitch, but with this pink color yarn. Okay, and then 1, 2 and 3 chains up, which will count as 1 double crochet. I'm going to fasten this yarn, my white color yarn, and now these 3 chains would count as 1 double crochet. In the next stitch I'll make 1 double crochet, and in the next one more double crochet. After making 3 double crochets in a row, I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and skip 3 stitches from the last round, 1, 2 and 3, and in the fourth one I'll make 1 double crochet, or 3 double crochets in a row, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets in 3 stitches like this. Again, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, skipping 3 stitches from the bottom row, 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one, I'll make 1 double crochet and 2 more double crochets in 2 more stitches. Not in the same one, but in 3 double crochets in 3 stitches. So the whole round will go like this, 1, 2 and 3. As you're taking 3 chains up, you're skipping 3 chains down here. Trust me, this would going to be a very easy handbag, like this. I'll keep doing this, I'll complete this round and I'll see you at the end of the round. Here I've completed almost completed this round, and with my last 3 chain stitch, I'm going to slip stitch on the third chain stitch which we have made at the start for 1 double crochet, like this. Now I am going to pull this yarn a little bit and cut this yarn here, because every time we need to change color, as I'm using many colors, so it is better that I should cut yarn every time, because in each round we will start in the gaps. So now I'm using this blue color yarn here, dark blue, and I'll start working from this chain stitch bottom where we have left, every time beneath these 3 chains here. So I'll start from here. I'll make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, like this, and then 1 double crochet next to this chain under this, then 1 more double crochet under this. So basically I'm working the chains that we have left in the bottom round while we were making 3 chains up. Now what I'm doing is, on the top of these 3 double crochets, I'll make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and in this gap I'll work 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, the chains which we have left. So it will go like this. 1, 2 and 3. This would go like this. Now again, I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 on the top of these 3 chains, and 3 double crochets in these 3 bottom chains. 1, 2 and 3. So I'll keep working this way and complete this round, and likewise I'll keep following the pink and blue round for the rest of my project, this pink and blue one. In the next round I'll make 3 double crochets in these 3 pink chains, and then 3 chains over these 3 double crochet. Again 3 double crochets over these 3 chains, and in this we will make 3 chains here. So 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, and for the rest of the project I'll keep doing like this with different colors, and I'll see you after completing few of my rows. Okay, so here I have made 3 rounds of single crochet. Now next what we have to do is we have to make the handles, but we will directly crochet the handles here. And for this what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these two from here and these two patterns from here, and in between there'll be four, 1 2 3 4, and on the back side I'll do the same. So what I'm going to do is first I'll do slip stitches and I'll reach till this double crochet exactly on the top of this double crochet, which is this one. It is very clear while you make. It depends on the size of bag you make. I have made with 18 of the patterns, 18 patterns of 3 double crochet and 3 chains, total 36 patterns. And now I'll reach till this single crochet by making slip stitch. Okay, so finally I've reached here. I've made slip stitches and I've reached here because I do not want it to cut my yarn and do it all together again. Now, as I have initially taken multiple of 6 chains or multiple of 3 chains, so the single crochets which I've got on the top of this was 108. So even if you'll not leave these two patterns and do it by counting, so I have made a portion, 4 portions of 28 single crochets. So what I'll do is from here till here, till the back side, I'll make 28 single crochets. Let's see where we reach. So one chain and a single crochet in the same stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here I have completed 28 single crochets. As you can see, it is exactly here like this, 28 single crochets. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 28 chains here. 28 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So here I have made 28 chains, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave 28 chains down here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. And here on the 28th chain, sorry, here I will make my single crochet like this. Similarly, I'll make more 28 single crochets now. 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here I've completed 28 single crochet on the other side. Now again I'll make chain of 28 and I'll do a slip stitch on this very first single crochet here, and if you count in between we are leaving 28 chains. So basically we have divided 108 chain into 4 portions of 28 each, and we're doing this way. So let me complete this and I'll see you then. Okay, so after making chains and single crochet slip stitch, this would look like this. But here in the very first round, if you want these handles to be more wide, so what you can do is, or more curvy, like that. So you can increase the number of chains here, but you cannot leave more on one side and less on other side. You have to leave equal number of chains on both the sides so that both the handles would look even. All right, so this is how I have done. Now in my next 2 rounds I'm going to do single crochet all over on these chains and single crochet on single crochet. So I'll complete this and I'll see you at the end of this. Okay, so here I've completed this bag, and I've also added this chain here for the long cord kind of, and I am going to use these tuck buttons here in this, like this. Alright, so we are all set, and I hope you like this tutorial. Please go ahead and try to make one. This is a very easy one, and keep liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.